So the next now is on how to insert tables using the second option we have on the page, and that is go to insert table, click on tables, click on draw table. This one is a little bit tedious. When you click on draw table, you can draw the table by making a rectangular shape and start dividing them into small columns, and you can start crossing the columns with your pencil shaped icon, cursor, and then you'll be getting more rows. If this is just what you have and you want more, like I have 1 2 3 4 5 columns and 5 rows, and I want more rows, you can divide any of the rows you already have and you get more from it. So they will all have uniform heights, uniform weights, and you can maintain that same to produce more rows and columns. Like one more column, you can just divide the original columns you have and you are getting additional one more or even 2 columns. Sorry, this is not what I mean. I just divided it and I've gotten one more column. So this is and if you want to start typing, you press the escape button and start typing inside it. Let me repeat myself how I managed to reach this stage. I said you can use the second option from insert table and click on draw table, draw a rectangular shape like this, divide them in columns and in rows by using your mouse left click button, drag and drop until you get how many rows and columns that you want. If you have just this and you want more, keep dividing. If this is okay for you, you stop. If you still want more, divide the already existing rows you have and you get more rows from it. That's all. And if you want to start typing, please press the escape button on your keyboard and start typing inside the cells. That's all for now. So, and then the next is how to insert table using the third option, Excel spreadsheet. Excel spreadsheet is another different package that is very vast, but we're not going to dive deep into it. We'll just learn how to insert tables simply, and later we'll return back to how to manage Excel spreadsheet tables in Microsoft Word when we'll be working on charts and graphs. So click on Excel spreadsheet tables. This is what we'll have, and you can start typing immediately. It's already made in small cells that you can just type in the small cells, that's the boxes. Let's say I want to type something like the one above there. I can just type the serial numbers section, the names, and whatever I want, I can type there, and that is it. So later we'll return back to this on how to create this a full-fledged table that has information on it. We'll be working on graphs and charts. So I would like to delete this as I don't need it for any purpose. So you press the backspace button to wipe it. Then the second of how to insert table is go to insert button, go to table, and come straight to quick tables. This is where you insert already made tables quickly. You have the simplest ones here that look like calendars. Yeah, they are calendars. You can edit any of the calendars and put whatever you want there, and that's all. Or you can duplicate them, make them so many copies. How do you do that? First, click on this select all icon shown at the edge here. Press Ctrl C on your keyboard, or right click here and press copy. Then right click outside and press paste. You see it's now 2. One is here, another one is here. Though we don't need these things, so we delete them. If you want more, you can insert more. So then the third one on how to in that same insert table or quick table option is not only calendars that you can insert in this place. You can insert double tables like these ones that have detailed information found inside them, like this type of table. You can insert this type of table, already made ones, and you just go straight and edit whatever you want to edit in it and go your way. You can use this when you're in a haste, you don't have time to start creating and formatting table like the normal way you usually do. So we have actually examined about 4 different ways of inserting table in Microsoft Word environment. So it's now your choice to choose the one that is simpler for you. But for me, I prefer using the first one, which is go to insert button, click on tables, choose how many cells you want, how many rows and columns, and straight away you have a table. This is what I mean. You choose how many boxes you want and you have a table. Nothing special. That is what you also want. You can make use of that. So for now, this is the few we can consider about how to insert table